जस्तजू है तो जारी रहे सफर। सीनियर गर्ल फर्स्ट प्राइज goes to Fatima Khatun from Qadriya Ankiruddin. Second prize goes to Noor Afsa from Nurul Kaunain, and the third prize goes to Shagufa from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Senior girls, Naaz Sharif. First prize goes to Farheen Jahan from Nurul Kaunain. Second prize goes to Afsara Khatun from Qadriya Ankiruddin, and the third prize goes to Nazia Khatun Qadriya Nurul Islam. अपने अपने मदारिस के बच्चे अगर नाम आता है अपना मदरसे का कम से कम अल्लाहू अकबर बोलिए तो पता चलेगा सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ के बच्चे चिल्ला रहे हैं। सीनियर गर्ल्स उर्दू रीडिंग फर्स्ट प्राइज गोes to निकट खातून नुरुल कौनैन and the third prize goes to नुसरत अमीन from Qadriya Ankiruddin and the second prize goes to Ruhina Begum from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Senior girls Takreem first prize goes to Rizwana Khatun from Qadriya Hanfiya and second prize goes to
जब आपके मकसद का नाम आए तो सबको ऊंची आवाज में बोलना है। पता नहीं चल रहा बच्चा।
First prize goes to Rizwana Khatun Qadriya Hanfiya. Second prize goes to Asiya Noori Nurul Kaunain. Senior girls Qira. First prize goes to Noor Afsa from Nurul Kaunain. Second prize goes to Vinu Parveen from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Third prize goes to Nusrat Jahan Qadriya Hanfiya. Senior boys, first prize goes to Sharif Raza Qadriya Hanfiya. Second prize goes to Anas Raza Qadriya Nurul Islam. And there is no third. Senior boys, Arabic reading. First prize goes to Tawfiq Raza from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Second prize goes to MD Nazir Ashraf from Nurul Islam, Nurul Kaunain. And the third prize goes to Asif Raza Qadriya Hanfiya. Senior boys, Urdu reading. First prize goes to Tawfiq Raza from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Second prize goes to Asif Raza Qadriya Hanfiya. And the third prize goes to MD Ashraf from Nurul Kaunain. Senior boys, Azan. Please listen to your Azan. First prize goes to Abdul Salam Qadriya Nurul Islam. Second prize goes to MD Nazir Ashraf from Nurul Kaunain. And the third, Anwar Hussain from Qadriya Ankiruddin. Senior boys, the result of the Qiraat program is going to be out. Third prize goes to Abdul Wakil Qadriya Nurul Islam. Second prize goes to MD Ashraf Nurul Kaunain. And the first prize goes to Sharif Alam Qadriya Ankiruddin. MashaAllah. Going to the junior category, we are going to announce the first program Hifz. Junior girls. Third prize goes to Shaista Zinatul Islam. And the second prize goes to Sazamin from Nurul Kaunain. And the first prize goes to Noor Fatima's Golden Public School. Junior girls, Arabic reading. Second prize goes to Mahek from Nurul Kaunain. And the first prize goes to Zinatul Islam. And the third prize goes to Afrin Khatun from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Junior girls, Urdu reading. Program Urdu reading. Third prize goes to Mumtaz Khatun from Qadriya Nurul Islam. Second prize goes to Mahinur Khatun Wasiya Azam. And the first prize goes to Zinat Ara from Zinatul Islam. Junior girls, last result of Azhar. Azhar. First prize goes to Tubana Zinatul Islam. Second prize goes to Khushbu from Qadriya Zanfir Zain. And the third prize goes to Ibris Bano from Gauss Azam. Junior boys, result of his is going to be out. Junior boys, his program का result out होने जा रहा है. First prize goes to Ahmad Reza from Qadianul Islam. Second prize goes to Mishada from Faizan. And the third prize goes to Afsar Raza Zinatul Islam. Junior boys Arabic reading program. The result of Arabic reading is going to be out. Third prize goes to Faizan Adil from Nurul Qanain. And the second prize goes to Shahzad Raza from Zinatul Islam. And the first prize goes to Abrar Alam from Gauss Azam. Junior boys Urdu reading. The result of Urdu reading is going to be out. First prize goes to Ashik Raza from Qadianul Islam. Second prize goes to Mushraq from Zinatul Islam. And the third prize is Inayat Raza Nurul Qanain. Junior boys, the last result. The result of Azan is going to be out. First prize goes to Imran from Zinatul Islam. And the second prize goes to Manzar Subhani from Faizan. And the third prize goes to Mujassir Raza from Golden Public School.